back to my channel. My name's Kenzie, and today we are making a birdhouse. Let's open it up. This is everything that came in the box. First, you have to make the birdhouse. So we're going to lay all the pieces out. These are all the pieces for the birdhouse. This is your glue and with the GL, and this is what we're going to use to hold everything together. Once you have it all dry, glue it to the top. My birdhouse is all built. Let's paint it. Let's do the back. I'm doing blend. While it's so wet, I'm going to put some glitter on the top. This is how my birdhouse turned out, and it looks really cute. And look at it. I add little gems on it. And right here looks like a little garden I made. And this is what it looks like. Thank you for watching. Give me a huge thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And that's the end.